Good day, learners at home. You are welcome to Adesegun Okoye online platform. Today we are going to be talking about the topic, overview of computer system. When we say system, we mean the collection of components which are meant to serve a specific purpose. Now we say computer system is defined as a combination of components that is designed to process data and store data. Meaning that computer system comprises of one or two components that are meant to perform the stated function. Now, what do we understand by computer itself? Computer is defined as electronic device that is capable of accepting data, processing it, and producing accurate and efficient results. By so doing, we mean anything that is capable of accepting data, processing it, and giving out a reasonable information is said to be computer. So that is to tell us that when we talk of computer, it is not limited to our desktop or laptop. It is anything that is capable of accepting information, accepting data, and giving us information. What are the main constituents of computer system? Like we have said earlier, a system is anything that consists of one or more components, two or more components rather. So a computer system consists of three components. They are the hardware component, the software component, the humanware component, which is otherwise known as peopleware. When we say hardware, it is hard in the sense that it can be touched and it can be seen. Hardware components are the physical components of computer that can be seen and touched. For instance, we have the keyboard, the monitor, and some other things we can see in the computer lab and touch. They are the hardware components part of the computer.
No, you can continue. You edit it.
Some of the parts of the hardware components are the system unit. The system unit, this very one, that looks like a rectangular box. The system unit, peripherals. What do we mean by computer peripherals? They are input and output devices that can be attached to the system unit. Computer software. Software are written coded instructions that are meant to perform a specific task. The function of software is to drive the hardware. Without software, the hardware is just like a lifeless device. They cannot do anything. It is just as if we have a car without a driver. The software we make the hardware to be in motion. There are two major types of software. We have the system software and we have the application software. System software is a software that allows the computer itself to work without putting into consideration what the user needs to do with the computer. Meaning that the system software just put the computer in functioning. It allows the computer itself to function. So if the user needs to use the computer, the user now needs to install some application software based on the kind of operation the user needs to perform on the system. Some major examples of system software are the operating system, which serves as intermediary between the system, the user, and all other application software that are to be installed. We also have the translator, we have the device driver, we have the utility, and so on and so forth. Application software. Application software are software that are installed in order to satisfy user needs. Take for instance, I need to typeset on my system. The choice of the application I'm going to use is Microsoft Word, which is a word processing package. So application software are software that are used to perform specific functions by the user. We have a word processing package, which, and the popular example, the major example is Microsoft Word. We have the presentation package, Microsoft PowerPoint. And so on and so forth. Peopleware. Peopleware referred to as the user of the computer. Though the computer on its own cannot work without somebody to operate it. So there are two categories of people that fall under peopleware or humanware. We have the computer users, which every one of us is part. Anybody that uses computer is computer user. And we also have computer professionals, people that have one or two certifications regarding computing and computer science. Examples are system analysts, system manager, programmers, and so on and so forth. Characteristics of a computer system. A computer system is accurate. The output of a computer operation is always accurate. If there is any case we have an inaccurate output, that means the user has entered a wrong input. Computer produces an accurate result. Speed of operation. Computers have a very high speed of operation. The work that a human being can do, for how a computer will do it in milliseconds. Reliability. You can rely on the output produced by computer. Versatility. Computer is capable of doing many tasks. It can perform many tasks depending on what you want to do as users. Power of remembering. Computer can remember faster and more than women can do. Large storage capacity. Computer can store as many files, documents, folders, and so on. Programmability. You can program a computer. Computer can be programmed. Say, do this, so time. Automation. Computer can work without supervision, without human intervention. Once an instruction is given to the computer will do it without further intervention. Diligence. Computer is diligent in the sense that it doesn't get tired. It can work for as many times as possible. It can even perform repetitive tasks. Thank you. God bless you. Please endeavor to subscribe to our channels, like and share our content. For further inquiry, you can contact my Gmail account, adeshagusumayogokoye@gmail.com, and my phone number +234 7056 958327. Thank you, and God bless you.